Welcome back to week 1. In this video, I want to provide an overview of psychology's history. In each slide deck, I provide an agenda. These are the different questions that we will answer in the lecture. So let's start by defining the word systems. When we use the word systems in psychology, what we're talking about is an organized group of ideas, principles, theories, models, and the components of that set work together to make the whole system function. Psychology is also made up of subfields: child psych, clinical psych, experimental psych, IO psych, forensic psych. There are different types of psychology, and each one of those subtypes is a subsystem. Each subfield of psychology has its own ideas, methods, processes, procedures. When you connect all of these subfields together, you get psychology. And without one subfield, we may not understand the other subfield. So without, for instance, experimental psychology, it might be difficult for us to understand and run more effective experiments in the personality psych realm, IO psych. When we change one part of the system, when, say, a new procedure is discovered in experimental psychology, when that subfield changes, the whole system changes. And it may not be a change that we notice, but anytime a component changes, it essentially is going to change the system because that subcomponent is connected to all the other parts of that system. Systems, like psychology, are also affected by things that go on outside of the system. Psychology, for instance, is impacted by technological advancements, economic challenges, COVID-19. There are things going on in the world right now that will likely impact how psychology evolves over the next couple of years. When different topics become of interest to the public, those topics then become of interest to psychologists. If we were going to illustrate psychology as a system, this might be an example.